Hello beautiful people. So today is day 3 of this wall making, and as you can see it has started to take course. It's taking course. It's coming on beautifully, being day 3. I hope I'm not shaking much. Let me show you. Being day 3, this is the far we have gone. And by the way guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, yani support the channel as we grow together. I told you today it's my project, tomorrow it will be a project, and I'll be happy for you to be documenting on your progress. This is my progress. This is behind the house. This is the behind. Naona washafanya hiyo yote, they are filling in some parts. Wanaanza kubackfill, and this is how it looks. This is the progress. It's a very beautiful progress. Oh, I have to be very careful walking. Please forgive my shaking. The ground I'm walking on is not stable. This is the behind. This is behind the house. This is the fence. Now, you see this tree. You know, trees here are very, ndazitaje, huku miti ni golden, yeah? And I didn't want this tree to be cut down. Yani it's providing shade, yeah, and then it's an old tree. It's very beautiful hapa. Now the problem is iko kwa wall. You see, it's in between the wall. Now I'm in a dilemma. I don't know how they will do this because I don't want it to be cut down, and yet ukuta inafaa ifike hapo kwenye wire zimefika. You see hapo kwenye chuma inafika, ukuta inafaa ifike hapo, na hapa inapita katikati, and I don't know how to go about this, but let's hope by the time it's reaching there we'll tutakuwa tumepata solution on how to go about it. But I don't want these trees to be cut. I don't want to be interfered with. Here they are good enough, but ikikataa, ikizindikana, itabidi tu tukate. So this is the side of the wall. Inafika hapo. So far so good. And where I'm heading in the front, yeah, ukuta. So all this has to be done within this week. Today is on a Monday. I was here on Saturday. Today being a Monday, the work has to go on. And also, I don't know, there are some two trees that are coming up, like this one, and I don't want it to be cut. When you're doing landscaping, I want to plant some grasses around it. Staki cut away. Now this is the front. And that's where the gate will be. Yeah, hapo karibu na gari hapo. Hapo ndo gate itakuwa. I don't want to interfere with the work of these guys. So that's it for the fence. Yeah, I'll show you the progress on the coming days. And as I said, please support this channel by subscribing. It's just a humble request. And like, share, comment. Okay, and prepare yourself because you are next. Your project is next. So that's it from me. And remember, I love you all. As I say, hard work pays. Consistency is the name of the game, and remember, prayer do works. Sawa? Yeah, so bye. Love you all. Hello guys, and welcome to Wamuhoho resident and segment with me, Maggie Wamuhoho. So today it's just an update of what's going on. Remember the last time I was here, the wall was still down, zilikuwa chini, si ndio? But now here we are. This is being day 4. Is it? Yeah, day 4 or 5 there. This is the progress. It's a very huge progress. By today, right now it's about 10 in the morning. So by Joni, this should be korogwad. The pillars should be in place. So this is the update, and I'm going down the wall, around the wall I mean. So far so good. The gate, it's the one that's ongoing. So the next time I'm coming here, there'll be a gate. Yeah, I'll do an update of what's happening. So this is around the wall. This is how it looks. You see, it's a very huge progress. I told you it's some minor works here and there. This is the back. So this is how many courses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 courses. How many left? 3 courses, because the walls are going at 11 courses. So this place is left only 3 courses, and then the koroga will start. This is the back. Come on, all the way. Let me enter Koboma and you see what's going on. And please don't mind the shaking. I don't have my stabilizer. I'm using personal stabilizer, which is my hand. So msijali. This is how it's looking as of now. The work is still ongoing, so please don't mind the noise. Remember the staircase? I'll do an update on that. Today is an update on the walls. This one is completed. You can see the courses. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All the way, it's completed. The work is ongoing, so don't mind the noise. If you hear the noise, I'm at the site and it is active. You see, it's ongoing, and some minor works here and there. So that's the update on the walls. And remember to subscribe. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And remember, I love you all, and the next project will be yours, Cindy. I'll be glad to see your update on your project. I'd love for you to show us or take us through your journey, Cindy. Hapa tunasupportiana. Today it's me, tomorrow it's you. So that's the progress of the outside, and the landscaping to start soon. That's the next section we are going. Landscaping. You can see how it looks as of now. It's pretty, but not pretty. We'll pretterize it soon. So bye, love you all.